about May or June of this year, which is 2020, I purchased this blueberry plant at Lowe's. It was probably about less than half the size. And as you see here, this one here is probably about 2 feet long, and this one is probably about 3 feet. Now, I haven't been pruning these. I haven't been around. As you see here, I got all these odd angles going on. But what I wanted to show you or share with you is that this is one of those gardening with Leon style self-watering containers. And I got this bucket where I get most of my buckets free from one of my local bakeries. And the bakery is actually within a grocery store. This store has just been awesome. I got a call from them yesterday, which was Sunday. Was very surprised. And one of the women there had told me that as she got the buckets, instead of me stopping by, she would call. And she called me yesterday. So I wanted to show you, this is an idea of something I wanted to do for her, because of course she didn't want to accept anything. She said, we're just simply going to throw these away. So I had already made this cutting board. I have a Cricut and had this pattern here. As you see, it says somewhere between Proverbs 31 and Medea, there's me. And so I'm going to give that to her. But if you have any ideas going forward as to things that I could, do for her, give her. There was another woman there, and I had actually made her one of these containers with a pepper plant in it. So I might do something similar to that. But the last time I was there, she gave me about 7 of these. But the thing I wanted to show you again was the growth on this. As you see here, look at all of these buds. This is October, the end of October, like 26, something like that. And all of this bright new growth has occurred in the past about 2 or 3 months. And it's just impressive. I have another blueberry plant that is a couple of years old. It's in the ground, and I wasn't here to water it, and it looks like it. It's really suffered, so I'm gonna actually dig that one up. But you can see here, this is a nice contrast. You can see the brightness, the new growth of the newer ones, but look how long that is. Again, if you have any ideas as to and it might just be the self-watering container, just plant something for her and the rest of the people in the bakery, because they've all been really nice about it. But if you have any ideas, I'd really appreciate it. Have a great day.